Welcome to Teacher Ferwin TV, an online opportunity to learn infinitely. This is John Ferwin Zamora Camargo for another episode of I Can Learn. Okay, next, let's proceed to the next page. The next page is the selection type. So for the selection type, we will use the checkbox now. Checkbox, so we have the cross means it is activated, so we have to click. Okay, so that is checkbox. And if we can observe, we have 5 items here that they will be selecting. So we will go to setting and we can increase the number of choices. So since we have 5 choices, then we have 5. And since the column is only 1, then we can have a single. So that's it. So next, if you can observe, the box is not aligned with the choices, so what you're going to do is to expand. So that's it. Then how to put the key answer? Just check. So later on, if a student failed to check any of these 3, for instance, or the correct answer is only 1 and okay, that's the answer. So if the student failed to check any of these 2 answer key or 2 answers, then he will be wrong in this item. And so since it is 2, you can have the number of points, for instance 2 points each, so we have a score of 4 for this item. Okay, that's it. Next we have you can still duplicate this one and put it below. So since it is already 6 choices, then we can have 6. Then expand. And check the correct answer. Okay, that's it. And since there are already 3 answers, then you may assign 6 points like that. If you have A, B, C, D, E, F, then on the other column, A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, and so on, you can ask 2 columns, 2, 3, or 4 columns, and what will happen is like that. So if you have on the other side here, so you can put here your E, F, G, H, I, J, K. If you have until 3 columns, then still expand A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, A, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T. So that's how to make use of the checkbox option. Next is here. Part E is multiple choice. So multiple choice is just the same, almost the same with checkbox, but in multiple choice, you can only check once, or you can choose only one correct answer. So we have the multiple choice, we have the plus sign means activated, so we have 4. So the default is 2, then you can change it using the settings button and click number of choices and go to 4. go to 4 and adjust that will fit your PDF. As simple as that. Like that. Okay. Then just click the correct answer. So for instance, that's the correct answer. Then for the second, by the way, we have the score. So if you want the default score to be applied, then just don't change it. If you want to 5 and so on, just change it. And you can also, okay, that is multiple choice. Then to have it with the same setting for the second items and so on, just copy, okay, or duplicate. Then just paste it, change the answer, go to the third question, then change the answer. That's it. That's very easy to do. Next is we have this 2 columns, A, B, C, D. So we have the, still we can copy this, then edit setting, you can change the score and choose 2 choices and 2 columns and resize. Only that. That is so easy to do. So put it near the, then edit, resize. That's it. Then just duplicate it for the next number. Change the answer key here. What if we have this PDF or this format? So we can have still duplicate, then change the number of choices to 1. Oh, it is not available here. So you cannot put your PDF like this. So what you're going to do is you can have this one or this one. So the number of rows should be 2 or more. So that is the problem here. But generally it's okay to have this format or this format. Just do not do it. Do this format. Okay, next. That is the multiple choice. Next we have the true or false. So for true or false, since we have already an answer true or false, you can also make use of multiple choice function. But now we will try, or you can also have the fill in the blanks. If you want them to write true, then you have the true or false. If you want to let them write true or false, then you may use fill in the blanks. Or they will choose only true or false, then we have the multiple choice. But now let's try the drop down function. So we have this check drop down and click here, expand, then you can add here the answers. So we have true or false. That's it. Then if it is true, then you just check it through, because that is what we need for our answer key. Then you can edit the setting as usual, the default score and the styles. What do you want for the styles? Just have it there, and that's it. And since it has the same setting, you just can duplicate it, change the correct answer. For instance, it is false, then duplicate, then change again your answer. Okay, that's it. That is for the drop down. Now let's have the
the